Welcome back, guys. Today, let me take multiplication shortcuts. Few multiplication tricks: how to multiply two same numbers fast, how to multiply two different numbers fast, and how to do it without pen and paper, and how to save time while multiplying it. Okay, so let's take multiplication shortcuts. Before I take multiplication shortcuts, there are a few things which you need to know. Is that place values. First place, or you need place is called 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place. These are the place values in decimal number system and so on, right? If I take number, guys, say 105, multiplying with 105, this number is nearest to 100 place value, isn't it? 105 is close to 100, not 10 or not 1000, it is close to 100. This 105 is 5 more than 100. The other number 105 is also 5 more than 100, isn't it? 5 into 5, if I multiply these two numbers, guys, 5 into 5, if I multiply, that is 25. Next, 105, if I add 5 to it, cross addition. Okay, so 105 plus 5. Now you can ask me what if I take same 5? It's the same answer, but if numbers are not 105 into 105, it is 105 into 103, these two numbers will be different. So it is not adding the same number, it's adding the other number. It's a cross addition. Okay. So 105 plus 5 is 1110. So when you multiply 105 with 105, what you get is 11,025. I'll repeat. 105 is 5 more than 100. The other number 105 is also 5 more than 100. 5 into 5 is 25, you can see here. Then 105 plus 5, this 5, and 105 if you add it, you'll get 110. Okay. Now, why you need place value? I started with place value. Why you need place value? The reason is, if I take 100 as the base, for example, in this 100 is the base, 5 more than 100, 100 is the base. After multiplying, there are two digits. What if there are more than two digits? If you take 100 as the base value, anything more than two digit you need to carry. Anything less than two digit you need to put 0. For example, say 102 multiplying with 102, say 2 more than 100, 2 more than 100, 100 is the base, 2 into 2 is 4, exactly two values if you take 100 as the base, two digits. Okay, for 10, it's only one digit, one anyways is not required, right? Then 1000 is 3 and so on. Now 2 into 2 is 4, so but you need to take 0 for. 102 plus 2 is 104, so it is 10,404. So 102 into 102 is 10,404. If I take 112 into 112, 12 more than 100, 12 more than 100, 12 into 12 is 144. We are allowed to write only two digits, 4 and 4. One you need to carry it. 112 plus 12 is 124. Plus 1 carry is 125. So remember, if you take 100 as the base, you're allowed to write only two digits after multiplying. Anything more than that, you need to carry it. Anything less than that, you need to put 0. Let me take few more to make it easy for you. 96 into 96. This is also nearest to 100, but not 4 more than 100, 4 less than 100, minus 4. 4 less than 100, minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16, two digits. 96 minus 4 is 92, 9,260. If I take, say, 92 into 92, 8 less than 100, 8 less than 100, 8 into 8 is 64, 92 minus 8 is 84, 8,464. If I take 12 multiplying with 12, what we need to get is 144. Let's check if it's 144 or not. 2 more than 10. 2 more than 10. Only one digit allowed for 10. 2 into 2 is 4. It's exactly one digit. No need to put 0 because 10 is the base. In this case, 10 is the base, not 100. 12 plus 2 is 14. If I take 13 into 13, 3 more than 10. 3 more than 10. 3 into 3 is 9. 10 is the base, remember, only one digit allowed. 13 plus 3 is 16, 1, you can see 169. 14 into 14, if I take 4 more than 100, 4 more than 10, 4 more than 10, 4 into 4, 16, 2 digits are there. You're allowed to write only 6, 1 you need to carry, remember, because 10 is the base. 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 1 carries 19, 14, 14 is 196, right? Let me take few numbers which are nearest to or close to 100. 985 multiply with 985, it is 15 less than 1000, 15 less than 1000, 15 into 15 is 225, 985 minus 15, 225, 3 digits, if 1000 is the base, 3 digits are allowed, no need to carry, remember. 985 minus 15 is 970, so 9,70,225. If I take 1025 into 1025, 25 more than 1000, 25 more than 1000, 25 into 25 is what? 6, 25, 3 digits are allowed, yes. 1025 plus 25 is what? 1050, 10 lakh, 50,000, 625 it is. If I take 1014 into 1014, 14, 14, 14, 14 is a 196 we already discussed. It is there here, you can see 196, 3 digits allowed. 1014 plus 14 is 1028, 10 lakh, 28,196 it is. But if it is nearest to 10, 100 and 1000, it's so easy to do it. What if it is not nearest to 100, 10 or 1000? Still you can do it little different comparatively. Let's take those numbers where it is not nearest to place values. Let me start with 20. 22 into 22. Okay, is it I can take 20 place value? You can take 20 place value, but you can take 20 as the base, but 20 is not place value. Place values are 1, 10 place, 100 place, 1000. 20 is not. You can take 20 as the base. 2 more than 20. 2 more than 20. 2 into 2 is 4. All right. 22 plus 2 is 24. So answer is 24 into 2. 48 is the number. So it is 484. Now, the obvious question is why into 2? Into 2 because 20 is 2 times of place value. 20 is 2 times of 10. So you need to multiply by 2. Let me take few more to make it easy for you. 1 less than 20. Remember 20 is the base value. 1 less than 20. 1 into 1 is 1 only. 19 minus 1 is 18. 18 you have to multiply by 2 because 20 is the base value. 36 is the number what you get. So 361 it is. Right. Now if I take say 52 into 52. 2 more than 50, remember 2 more than 50, 2 into 2 is 4, 50 is the base but it is not place value, it is 5 times of place value. 52 plus 2 is what? 54. Let me write it here. 54, you have to multiply by what? 5. Yes, 270 is the number. 270, so 2704 it is, into 5 because 50 is the base. Okay, say 48 into 48, say 2 less than 50. 2 less than 50. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 48 minus 2 is 46. Into 5 is what? 230. So it is 234. 2304 it is. So 48 into 40 is 282304. So if you take 10 as a base value, all right. No need to multiply because 10 is the place value. If you take 20 as the base value, you have to multiply by 2 for 30, into 3 for 40, into 4 into 50, into 5, 100. No need because 100 is the place value. 200 into 2, 300 into 3, like that. So if I take say 208 into 208, 8 more than 200, 8 more than 200. 8 into 8, 64. 2 digits are allowed till 1000 place value, right? Isn't it? 208 plus 8 is what? 216. Is it answer is 21664? No. 200 is the base. 200 is 2 times of the 100, right? 216 into 2 is what? 432. So 432, 64. 432, 64 it is. If I take say 306 into 306, 6 more than 300, 6 more than 300. 6 into 6 is 36. Till 1000, two values. You can see two digits are here. No need to carry anything. 306 plus 6 is what? 312. To multiply by what? 300 is the base. Remember, you have to multiply by 3 exactly. We have to multiply by 3, so it becomes 936. 936. So 936. 36, that is 93,636 it is. Okay. All right. Say 512 into 512. Now the catch here is 12 more than 500. 12 more than 500. 12 into 12 is 144. You can write only 4 and 4. Remember, 1 carry, right? 512 plus 12 is what? 524 into what? Into, remember, 5 into 5, isn't it? So it is 262, 0. 262, 0. But there is one carry to add. So it is 262144. 26 after multiplying by 5. After multiplying by 5, you need to add carry. You need to add carry. Number is actually 2620 when you multiply by 5. But there is one carry to add because till 1000 it is 2 place value. For 1000 onwards, 3 digit you can write. Till then you can write only 2 digits. So you cannot write 144. You have to write only 44. One carry you need to take. Then 2620 is a number what you get. You have to add one carry to it. So it becomes 262144. Okay. Let me take one number where there is a carry to avoid confusion. Say 215. Say 215. All right. 15 more than 200. 15 more than 200. 15 into 15, 225. You can write only 25. Remember, 2, you need to carry it. 215 plus 15 is 230. 230 into 2 is 460. But number is 462 because there is 2 carry. So it becomes 46,225. 46,225. This is how you need to do it. When you're multiplying by 5, guys, when you're multiplying by 5, there's a shortcut multiply by 5. Okay, it is like this. See, 524 into 5. How to multiply by 5? Very simple. You just find half of 524. What is half of 524? 262. You put 0. For example, say you have to multiply 22 into 5. What is the easiest way of multiplying by 5? Just find half of 22. What is half of 22? 11. Put 1 0. 1 1 0. Say you have to multiply 42. What is half of 42? 21. Put 0. Say 160 into 5. What is half of 160? 80. Put 0. Say 92 into 5. What is half of 92? 46. Put 1 0. All these are even numbers, you can see. These are even numbers, isn't it? What if it is odd numbers? Say 21 into 5. Just find half of 21, that is 10.5. That's it. No need to put 0.105 is the answer. Say 41 into 5. What is half of 41? 20.5. Don't put 0.205. Say, what do you want? Say 91 into 5. Any number will do. 91. What is half of 91? What is half of 90? It is 45. So 45.5. Don't put point. Becomes 455. That's how we have to multiply by 5. This is multiplication shortcuts for same numbers. Okay, there are many other tricks also. It's one of the shortcuts to find multiplying two same numbers. What if there are two different numbers in the same method? Two different numbers can be multiplied in so many different ways. Okay, there are so many tricks and shortcuts to do it. So one way of doing it is this. Using this method also you can multiply two different numbers. Let me take two different numbers. Okay. Okay. So let me take numbers. Here. Say 1, not moving, okay. Oh, fine now. It is fine now. Okay. 106 into 102. Let me take two simple numbers to start with. 6 more than 100, 2 more than 100. 6 into 2 is what? 12. 106 plus 2 or 102 plus 6. Either way same, right? Cross addition. It's 108. So 10,812. Okay. Say 112 multiplied with 106. Say 12 more than 100. 6 more than 100. 12 6 are what? 72. Okay. 112 plus 6 or 106 plus 12. Either way it is what? 118, isn't it? So 11,872. Say 1024 into 1005. 24 more than 1000, 5 more than 1000. What is 24 into 5? 120. How many digits? 3 digits. Anything to carry? Nothing to carry. 1024 plus 5 is what? 1029. 10 lakh 29,120. 10 lakh 29,120. Where you need to careful is say 104 into 96. This is where you need to be little careful. Okay. 4 more than 100. 4 less than 100. 4 into 4 is 16 but minus 16. There is no minus concept in Vedic mathematics. Minus 16 is nothing but complement of 16. What is complement of 16? 16 complement is 84. What is 10 complement? 90. What is 20 complement? 80. What is 25 complement? 75. So you have to subtract it from next place value. Okay. So you have to subtract it from next place value. So for example, if you want me to explain the complement number, 1 complement, you have to subtract it from 10. 9, 2 complement, 8, 3 complement, 7, 4 complement, 6, 25 complement. You have to subtract it from next place value, that is 100. 100 minus 25 is what? 75. 30 complement, 70. 60 complement, 40. Now if I take 200, next place value is 1000. So 200 complement is what? 800. 300 complement is what? 700. Have to subtract it from next place value. It's called complement numbers. It's called complement numbers. All right. So 4 into 4 is 16, but minus 16. So minus 16 is nothing but 16 complement. 16 complement is 84. Okay, 84. But when you take complement number, the one difference is 104 minus 4 is 100. 104 minus 4 is 100, right? But whenever you take complement, you need to take one less than the number. So 99 is what you take. What you get is 100, but you need to take 99 whenever you take complement number. So answer is 9984. So to avoid confusion, let me take few more numbers. So they will be easy for you. 108 into say 96. Okay. 8 more than 100, 4 less than 100. 8 into 4 is 32, but minus 32. Minus 32 is nothing but 32 complement. So 32 complement is what? 100 minus 32. It is equals to what now? 68, isn't it? So you need to write 68 here. 108 minus 4 or 96 plus 8. Either way, same number you get, right? 108 minus 4 is what? 104. But you need to take 1 less than 104. So it is 103. So 10,368. It is 10,368. All right. Now let me take 109 into 94. 9 more than 100. 6 less than 100. Isn't it? 9 into 6 is what? 54. Minus 54, remember. So 54 complement. 100 minus 54 is what? 46, isn't it? So 46 it is. 109 minus 6 is what? 103. 1 less than 103 is what? 102. So 10,246 it is. There are many other shortcuts. This is one of the shortcuts, guys. There are many other shortcuts like this. Let me take that in the next class. I don't want to take many different ways and confuse you in one class. So let me take that type of shortcut in the next class. Okay, so what we discuss is multiplication shortcuts, multiplying same number, multiplying two different numbers. The same time we also learn how to find complement numbers. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today's session. In next class, I'll continue this multiplication shortcuts.